Hello, hello. What are today's messages that we need to hear? Let's pick a card first. In the end, you tried and you cared, and sometimes that is enough. Yep. And today we're going to pick this little box. I am little statements. I am connected to others. I am capable of all amazing things to happen to me. My heart and soul's happy. I am a peaceful soul. I am pure joy. I am love, loving, and lovable. I am filled with courage. I am safe to be truly me. I am happy with who I am becoming. I am super abundant. I am creative. I love who I am. I am blessed and safe. I am unique. And the last one, I am powerful. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.